What's up everyone, Shane here with ROA Off-Road or RVs of America. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around and showing you the lineup of the all new Pause trailers. We are missing one. It is the 19.6, which is the family bunk model, but we'll put a link down below to a full tour of that so you can check that out. But I am going to first start off with the all new Restart edition. Now, just so you understand, Pause has a few different editions. So you have the Restart editions, you have the Reboot editions, and then you have the Pause line, which is the X series. Those are their flagships, the more premium ones. So this is going to be their entry-level model. So if you're trying to get into the Pause family and you're a first-time trailer owner and you don't want to go and spend over $100,000 on a trailer for your very first purchase, this might be where you want to look. Now, right now, we only have this 17RB floor plan, but there are multiple floor plans in the works coming out this year. So we will actually have more 2026 models, but right now, everything you're seeing is everything Pause currently has that is available. Of course, this has a very nice bathroom, shower, toilet, sink area, tons of storage. Pause really optimizes a lot of their storage throughout their trailers across all of their floor plans. But let's head on over here. You can see we have these 12-volt refrigerator freezer combo. This trailer is not going to be a true Four Seasons trailer. Very well insulated in the hot and cold temperatures. But if you do want to get into a more Four Seasons trailer, you will have to jump up to a Reboot, which I'll go to show you next. They've done really good with the modern designs. Some of the things that you're going to see out here are options. So when you do order a Pause, you can get a standard base Pause. There's a lot of different options. So you can, the price can vary. So a lot of people are always, oh, how much are they? What is the cost? I never like to say that on a video because the prices change every year. Plus it depends on how you option it. You can add, an outside tray or table space. You can have an outside kitchen, or you can delete the outside kitchen. And some of these options, whether it's batteries or solar, they can be from a few $100s to over $10,000. So it can change the price pretty drastically depending on how you order it. But as you can see, you have an outside little kitchen. This gives you hot and cold. You also have a fridge or freezer, and then you have a nice food grade cutting tray up here, as well as your Greystone grill. Now, moving over here, this is a Reboot edition, and this is our 17.4. One of the cool things about Pause and ROA Off-Road is we have been with Pause pretty much since the inception of this product. And Maynard is the person behind Pause. He is essentially the one that initiated the creation of all the Pause lines, which is really cool. He worked for Palomino, which is a company owned by Forest River as the parent company. The way Forest River works is they kind of have their divisions or their manufacturers underneath them kind of work and operate independently. So this is what's very interesting is my experience has been Pause operates like their own company. You would never know they were backed by $1 billion company, which is really in a lot of ways gives you a lot of benefits because Pause is really good about doing R&D, making sure things have a higher standard because they have the resources to be able to do those things. But Pause themselves, you're working with Maynard and their team, their staff. Austin is their warranty guy, which is one of the most incredible warranty people we've ever worked with ever. He's amazing. And they truly care. They take care of people better than almost anybody. I mean, like all of our manufacturers are really good, but Pause has been just above and beyond. So the 17.4, this is a very cool trailer in the sense that it has a deck on the back of the trailer. Now you have an east-west bed up here, massive TVs too, and then working our way back here, it comes into this really nice lounge area that I can sit down and enjoy, and I can open this up and look out to a beautiful vista. I can go out on that deck and just enjoy it. Very, very cool trailer. Bathroom, a little tight on this one, but if you're trying to get into a 17-foot trailer, it is what it is. Like if you're out camping, it's sufficient. You can shower, you can use, the toilet itself is actually very comfortable. Lots of leg room on the toilet. The shower, some people complain a little bit about that being small, but I have used this and it works. You're camping. I mean, what do you expect, right? You're not in a tent. We actually have some people that are full-timing living in these trailers. And so clearly you can manage and make it work. Now, I'm going to come over here. This is the 14.3. This is the smallest Reboot trailer, but I just want to point out this one because I want to show you the electrical systems that Pause is using. This is all Victron. unbelievable systems here. This is something when we originally started working with Pause, they were using different components in there. And I said, hey, let's move over to Victron. Victron really is, they're one of the best systems out there. They started in the marine industry. And so I said, let's focus on getting these systems because they really have the ability to, if you're working with yachts that are in the middle of the ocean, you have to have a standard that's pretty high because you can't have people's systems failing in the middle of the ocean. Definitely unbelievable electronic components. And a lot of people don't realize, it's not just what you see on the outside. Inside, the guts of these products is really, really well built and really well thought out. Everything from the aluminum frames to the walls to the construction of the roof. So these units you can get in 4 seasons. All of the Reboots you can. This once again has your east-west bed. I love that Pause gives you just really large TVs. They're smart TVs. Some people, when they go camping, they're like, why would you ever want a TV? Why do you need a TV? I get it. But when it's out raining or snowing and it's cold and you want to go inside and watch something, to me, I think it's nice. I like to throw hopefully a YouTube on, watch some ROA off-road. If you're not actually subscribed, you definitely need to subscribe to our channel. But I love the design too, this curve. It's just very modern and sleek. And then they do the wood grain down here. This is an option that you can go to solid surface. This is like a Corian type of material, so it has that very premium feel. And then you have your power towers, tons and tons of outlets in all of these trailers. And then of course we have a cute little bathroom in here, nice little shower. You squeeze in here and it works. And then when you come out, shut that out, you have your Furrion 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. And for such a small trailer, pretty good size. So let's head on over to our next floor plan. Now come over here, we have the 19.4. Like I mentioned, the next model up is the 19.6, which we don't have. There is a link to that for the full tour. Now, once again, outside kitchens, fridges, freezers. This is both, right? You got your stove, you got your sink, you have areas to prep stuff. Come inside. This is definitely one of my favorite trailers, mostly because I was very involved in the design with Maynard. We talked about, making a much larger booth space because the original Pauses had a 2-person booth. And I said, you really need to build a trailer that has a 4-person booth. So here I am, 215 pounds. If you've been watching for a long time, you'll know that's changed a little bit. So 6 feet, 215 pounds, you can put 4 adults in this. If they were 4 old adult myself's old me's, maybe it would be tight, but right now I'm pretty comfortable at this size. So this will also drop down and turn into a bed, so you can have the kiddos come with you. But this is really, to me, the perfect couples trailer. We have customers, which we call roamers here at ROA Off-Road. We have roamers that are living in these trailers. So the whole roamer thing is, we don't call our customers, we call them roamers, and it comes from ROA, so ROA-MER, so roamers. So when you buy a trailer from ROA Off-Road, you become a roamer. And we have roamer rallies and roamer adventures, and we have a whole roamer community. But like I said, we have multiple roamers that are living in these full-time very comfortably. It's actually amazing to hear and get the feedback. ROA Off-Road, we also have a really good relationship with our roamers post-sale. Hence, we see them at our rallies every year. We have a rally every single year, and people come from all over the country, and we get to interact and talk with them. We also have a tech support team post-sale, and so we get to have lots of conversations. We know what's working, what's not working, and this gives us the ability to get that feedback and send it to the manufacturer. We let Pause know, we let Maynard know, and then they can make adjustments and changes so much faster than any other manufacturer. I think that's a big difference between working with ROA Off-Road and anybody else, is that we have the ability, we don't just listen and say, yeah, sure, and then not do. We listen, we write it down, we take it back to the manufacturer, and then we get something changed. Sometimes it might take a year to get into a model year, but things actually are constantly improving, getting better between us and our manufacturers. And we purposely choose manufacturers that only listen. If the manufacturers just kind of brush us off and say, hey, get out of here, we do not listen to you, we're not going to make changes. That's usually when we say, you know what, if you're not going to make changes to your product to make it better, we're going to make changes, and we're going to go work with somebody that's actually going to listen and make improvements. Because ROA Off-Road, one of our goals and our mission is to provide the best off-road trailers, also with the best experience in buying those off-road trailers in the entire world. So we don't want to just carry the best products, but we also want to create the best experience for our roamers before the sale, during the sale, after the sale. And that's why we focus so much on the community and the adventures and the camping trips. But we can't do that if we're working with a manufacturer that doesn't believe in innovating and always making their products better, because it's hard to support a product that's not always trying to get better and also willing to support us and the product. It's a very good relationship that we have with our manufacturers, and that relationship, it gets passed on to you as the owner. So coming back here, this definitely has a one of the biggest bathrooms out of any trailer. Massive area here to put your stuff. So I owned one of these for a while. I'm always trading out of trailers, so because I always want the newest thing. Plus I want to be able to use it. That's another thing about ROA Off-Road is we're users of these trailers so that we can better help you and educate you and teach you on what you should do. But man, when we went out camping, it's like my wife had all of her stuff set out here. It was so cool because you had tons of space. And look, you have tons of outlets here. You have outlets there. More outlets than you could ever know what to do with. This cupboard is like the secret cupboard that goes all the way until the back of this. So this thing has so much storage. It's almost too much storage. You actually might get in trouble by overloading the trailer because there's so much storage. So you got to be careful with that. Just put a lot of towels and sheets in that drawer, and then you won't overload the weight back there. Smart TVs, once again, all throughout. Now, let's go and check out the Flagship, the Pause X. And this thing is just super cool. I love this trailer very, very much. Just stay tuned. We're going to be doing updated full 2026 tours on all of these trailers because there has been a lot of changes. Like I've been mentioning, there's always little improvements happening, but we will have these on display at almost every overland show this year. But coming into here, similar to that 17.4, you also have a deck, but this trailer, the space in here is unbelievable. You also have this cool disco light. This actually doesn't always change. You can set it to not be blinking. You can just set it to one color and you can customize it. You can change it to your favorite color, which is very cool. Down here we have a shoe box where you can store your shoes. There are some upgrades that we do here at ROA Off-Road on this trailer. This trailer has 2 TVs. You have a TV in the living room, and then you can come back into the bedroom area, and this trailer has a separate bedroom. So I can shut this door off, completely close my room off from anybody else coming in here, which is really cool. Not a lot of trailers have that feature, that option, especially in our market, in the overland off-road market. So this just allows you to have extra privacy. You can also close this door off, so I can be showering, I can be using the bathroom, and I can close off the rest of the living room so I can have guests out. We had on the last ROA rally that we had, my daughter and her cousin, they were sleeping in here. So my wife and I could shut this off. We could shower at night, use the bathroom, and not interrupt our kids from just hanging out. They were watching movies at night, which was fun. It was cold. The shower over here, and we have the toilet and vanity area on this side. Go down in the link below and you'll see all the full tours of everything. I'm just kind of going quickly through everything so you can get a feel for these trailers. Now, this back area does come as 2 different options or configurations. So you have the option to do a king size bed, which gives you some storage spaces on the side, or you have the option to do what we have right here is the 2 twins, and then you have the nightstand in the middle. This is the configuration that I've used. And then of course, this is a gun safe or a safe or whatever you want in there. That's an option that we do here at ROA Off-Road. That doesn't come from the factory. That's another thing that makes ROA Off-Road so unique, is that we are always constantly doing upgrades and modifications to customize the products for our roamers, right? We want the owners to have an experience that is unique to them, right? Something that they can have that nobody else has, right? And to us, like, that's really important, because a lot of dealerships, it's kind of like they try to say one size fits all, which is not true. That's not the case for anybody in this world. Everybody wants to have something done a little bit different than somebody else. You can build it the way you want from Pause, but then once it gets to ROA Off-Road, we can then do additions to it to make it even more unique for you. But that's one of the reasons why coming to the rallies and the adventures are so fun, because you get to meet other owners and you get to see the things that they do. You get to see the modifications that they've made, and it inspires you to come up with your own little ideas to make it even more for you. If you want to learn more, I'm not going into all the crazy amount of detail on this video, but we have a brochure like this, and it will give you all the floor plans and all the specs. Go down below, click the link, and you can download this brochure and learn more. And then also you can learn more about ROA Off-Road. We have 4 stores across the entire country: South Carolina, Colorado, Arizona, and Utah. So if you want to go to one of these stores, we call them experience centers. You can go and meet with one of the sales guys. We call them sales coaches, because we want them to coach you on what is best for you and not sell you. And they can kind of try to help you decide what's best for you, what unit makes most sense for your situation, and they can help you answer any questions you might have. You want to come see these products, come to one of our stores. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and share this with somebody. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.